there you can add stations, car parks, change the map colour, consult it. We'll just go back. I'll click go back onto the menu. Let's just see
After
there.
20 yards, you have reached your destination.
Well, we're sat in the forecourt, so that's good. Menu. Here we go. All important. A lot of the time when you it's a place you don't know your way back from. You set your sat nav, you set off, and then sooner or later you get to a point where you should know your way back from, and you don't want it keep telling you or reading prompts out. So just stop navigation there, and that's it. It's a really good system in this Peugeot 3008. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Now, the best system in cars these days, in my opinion, is Apple CarPlay. I'm going to turn the fan down a little bit now. Hopefully my cameras will last long enough before overheating. So, click that off. That's your USB charging lead plugged in underneath there. I click on that. I'll just click on, well, no, so you can see both of it, hopefully. So click that in. It's already set up to go to Apple CarPlay. There you go, Apple CarPlay's come on. If it doesn't, what you need to do is click on your settings, then you go to General, there's General, CarPlay, and accept it for CarPlay. But once you plug it in, keeps your phone charged, and it automatically mirrors your iPhone. So onto here, if I click there, that shows you your iPhone screen, and I can scroll through it like so. But far, far, far simpler. For instance, hey Siri, navigate to Manchester. I'll just turn that up.
Getting directions to Manchester.
Go.
Starting route to Manchester.
It's that simple to
southeast on the A675, then turn right onto Gregson Lane.
It's that simple to set your sat nav. Or, hey Siri, navigate to McDonald's.
One possibility I see is McDonald's on Clifford Street in Chorley. Would you like to try that one?
So again, it's so simple. For audio, the good thing with this as well is, if I click audio there, then again, if I turn it up, click play. So that's that, but, so if I scroll through like so, into Audible, click play, turn it up.
No, I'm not on holiday either.
There you go. That's reading a book to me. We'll go back. I'm going to knock that off so we can't. Well, here we go. Hey Siri, send a message to Barry Crampton.
Which phone number for Barry Crampton? iPhone or 150? What do you want to say?
Hey Barry, I'm just testing the fantastic Apple CarPlay system in this Peugeot 3008.
Your message to Barry Crampton says, hey Barry, I'm just testing the fantastic Apple CarPlay system in his Peugeot 3008. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Now you'll see the message has turned up there. Hey Siri, read messages.
Barry Crampton sent a new message. Hey Barry, I'm just testing the fantastic Apple CarPlay system in his Peugeot 3008. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
So, as I say, it's absolutely fantastic. Your calendar, anything that you've synced with your CarPlay system. So there's Amazon Music, playlist for you, albums for you, and click on playlist for you. My Discovery Mix, the Allman Brothers. Fleetwood Mac, 50 great classic rock tracks. Let's see, So we'll go back again. Spotify, WhatsApp, Google Maps. It's just a fantastic system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.